Look at the state of this. Everything is completely destroyed. This Vision Gran Turismo is unrecognizable. This Bugatti has been abandoned for quite some time, and you can see the fire damage and neglect all over. Look at how the fire and rust have just eaten away at this metal. You can see the layers peeling. Look at the decay on this paint, just completely faded. The surface decay here is quite severe. You can see the oxidation and cracking. And you can see here all this weather damage. The leaves and dirt have really built up on the windshield. Look at the interior, completely burnt out. All this has to be redone. You can just see how brittle everything has become, especially this leather here. This tire is completely flat. Look at the corrosion on the rim and all this burn damage. Look at the impact wear and burn damage on this diffuser. Okay, so you can see right here, these hoses are completely brittle from the fire. They're all cracked and heat warped, definitely need to be replaced. And what you're seeing here is pretty extensive frame rust. This car has been through a serious fire.
First, we'll gently clean away the surface soot and grime. Then, a careful disassembly and assessment of every component begins. So the first step is to gently remove all the loose dust and soot before we begin the detailed restoration.
And as I gently brush, you can see the surface, dirt, and soot loosening.
Layers upon layers, years of neglect just peeling away. It's almost breathing again.
Watch as the pressure washer strips away layers of mud and soot.
And you can see all this blistering and bubbling of the paint underneath the grime. It really took a beating. Look at this. All trapped debris and buildup over time in these crevices. You can see all the soot just coming off. It's really caked on there. So we'll let this sit for about 3 to 5 minutes, let the chemicals do their thing.
It's very important to keep all your components organized, all your fasteners, all your wiring